Farm International is committed to bring web, app, IoT, and blockchain farming for effective and efficient ecosystem to entice young people and finance institutions' participation. Highest traceability of food safety and security standard for consumers and best commercial grading of our produce. Provide high-skilled contractors to meet MyGap objectives and improve farming research and development to increase food production and quality. So let's get together to bring bird nest industry to the international, particularly the China market.